Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. And if you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and try watching those videos. If you're liking such videos, if you feel it is logical and it is helping you, then definitely hit the subscribe button for more learning videos. For the ones who wants to open an account in trading, you can open through us. The link is in video description, so you can click the link and open in Zerodha, Upstock, or Angel Broking. You can open your account and you will be part of my secret telegram channel only for learning. I don't give any recommendation anywhere. So in this particular video I wanted to talk about for a lot of beginners how to start off your stock market trading. The reason why I'm doing this particular video is because especially during this lockdown period a lot of people are at home. So what's happening, they have a lot of time, they're finding alternative ways of making money. So now I know trading is one of the thing which flashes in everyone's mind, so everybody wants to learn. So they ask me in Instagram, on Telegram, in our WhatsApp customer care, they forward these questions. They say, how can we start trading, how do we start trading? All this type of questions will come, and it's difficult to answer everyone everywhere. And if you answer one reply, you get multiple questions back again and again asking how, where, what source, and all those. So I thought I'll make this video so that a lot of people who are trying to learn stock market, who's going to start off, so you can see this video. So you can forward this video to all your friends who are planning to learn, or else if somebody is asking me this question again in any platform, I will forward this video link. Now, how to start off stock market trading? For the ones who have already started, good. One who has just started, yes, this video will be for you guys. Or you have not yet started, just a beginner stage, then this video is for you guys. So now I will tell you my opinion. Like, you know, in this channel I always share my opinion. I always tell I'm not a master, I'm not a pro or something like that. I have 8 years of experience in this particular trading, basically in equity, a little bit of in futures. So I always share my opinion in this channel, and that's how during my learning I share with people and people learn from me, and that's how this channel has been grown organically. With word of mouth, this channel has been grown. So again, I'm sharing my opinion. I will share three type of, you know, ABC type of situations which you can decide, okay, based on your skills and situation, you can decide which type of learning you can start off your stock market. So now, number one, you can learn like how I did. So 8 years back when I started trading, I didn't have proper guidance from somebody, or we didn't have these YouTube channels who are like exactly so many YouTube channels to teach us. So there is nothing. So people were trading in college, they was talking about stock market. So that's how we learn theory. And in office, people were doing trading and all those. So you learn from them how trading is. So I learned trading in a very hard way. So I didn't learn exactly. So I knew a little bit and started trading directly with money. So I lost a lot of money in the market. And then when I took loan and I lost all the money, if you know my old stories, then when I didn't have money, that's when I want to take revenge back and, you know, learn the skill. That is when without money I was doing paper trading. So that's the reason I always still observe and paper trade. So I learned in the hard way, and now I feel I'm better. Now if you compare my first year and second year, and if you compare my 8th year, I feel I'm more confident. I know better things than what I am before. So always there was a hard work. I kept on learning every day, like, you know, I keep learning new things. So that's how I improved. So it took 8 years for me, but I lost my money, hard-earned money here, because nobody advised. So this is one way how you can lose your money, and then you will take it seriously and learn. Second way is, like I always tell from my experience, because I lost money, I always tell to my subscribers, don't lose your hard-earned money. You can also learn how you can learn from YouTube. You can learn from whichever source or whichever course you're taking, whichever YouTube or whichever college you're going. Learn your stock market, practice it, paper trade. Don't put your hard-earned money, because I would not say 100% of the people will lose money, because maybe there are 10% of the people have good skills, but 90% I'm sure that they would lose their money because lack of knowledge. So without knowing little bit also, we will try to go and learn in the market. For example, see, if you're learning English, you should know A to Z, then you should learn how to frame words APPLE, apple. But what will happen in real world, we will learn ABC, then we learn little and we think we know English. So now if you ask them speak in English, they will say ABC ABC. So if you ask anywhere speak in English, ABC ABC. Same way in stock market, they will learn 1 or 2 3 strategy. Anywhere market is going up, they will put ABC strategy. If market is going down, ABC strategy. If market is going sideways, ABC strategy. Different situation, they are applying the same knowledge, whereas they didn't complete their A to Z. They didn't learn how to form words, how to form sentences, and how to form paragraph. There are many things to explore. Even I have so much to learn after 8 years. So the thing is, they prejudge that they know everything and they dive into the market by putting their money, thinking, let me put now 50,000, let me make some money. I know few strategies. It will not work like that. So always paper trade. Take some time. It may take a few years. Definitely it will take few years. I will not say months also. It will take some few years because you are learning by yourself. You see some YouTubers and you learn from them. You need to practice. If you don't practice, you will be just watching the video like a dance video or something. So if you practice paper trade, you realize this, what is the reason or logic behind it. You can create your own strategy. So that is how you will grow. So you may also take 6 years, 8 years like me, but you will not lose money like how I lost in the starting. You will not lose such money. So that is the idea what I'm saying. Either lose money in the first area, in second way, you don't lose money, but you gain the same knowledge because of hard work. Yes, maybe if you want to trade, you can trade with one share, one quantity with 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 600 rupees, you can trade. Don't put this 50,000, 1 lakh expecting you will get a lot of money, which will not happen. So that is the two different ways. Third different way is nothing but choosing a mentor. So now this type of method, why I say this is because, see, a mentor is a person who has experience in the market. He has done something good, he has done something bad. So when you learn from him, you will learn the bad things and the good things from the market which your mentor did, and he will definitely advise you not to put money in the starting. So obviously he's guiding you, he will be motivating you, also he will be pushing you, he will be giving ideas for you. So with your skills, you will learn the experience of your master. Slowly you will learn little bit faster. I would not say super fast. You will learn faster than a person who is putting all efforts. Like for example, me, I used to learn, do and learn and find out the answers from the market in the starting. Later now, I took up MBA, all that, and I understood the concepts later part. Okay, so you will learn directly everything from a mentor before only, and then you will go hands-on to the market and you understand things better. So the amount of losing money, amount of going wrong is comparatively less than a person who's putting in the first stage a lot of money without any experience, putting just money, he will lose money. So just like your cricket or just like your dance, or you have a choreographer or a coach, okay, who will train the team, he will share a skill, but the player plays better than him because the player's skill is better. Same way, if your skills are good, definitely you will outshine the master. So it's all everywhere it's the same. Your teacher will teach you and you become an engineer, but the teacher will not be an engineer. Same way, you learn from a mentor so that you learn from his experience and you become more better, or maybe equal to him or lesser than him. It's up to you. But if you have money only, you should do that. If not, I will never recommend you to go for a mentor. Anyways, I'll do a video how to choose a mentor also. I'll do a video. But what I'm saying, if you don't have money, if you have some commitments, never go for a mentor. Try yourself. I tried the hard way. I learned from myself. So you also learn by yourself. Do paper trading and learn. Don't spend money on seminars and classes, because there are few seminars and classes which is not worth. There are few classes which are okay for you. So you need to decide that we will talk later. But if you don't have money, don't even enter into any mentorship or something. Learn by yourself. Yes, you can. You may take a longer time. But if you feel you have extra money, you're spending on trip, you're spending on car, bike, petrol, fuel, you have expense, your pocket money, then it is fine. As per your life goal, you want to learn this. So you're giving that person so much of money to learn from him and spend your time. If you can't give time, then don't even go for mentorship. So now you know how are the three different ways, approaches you can start off your trading life journey. So now there are different sources. Definitely there is YouTube or there is Google. Wherever you want, you can read through a lot of contents. But trust me, the more theory you learn, it will not help in stock market. Even in your MBA, you will learn a lot of theory only, not practical. So this will not help you. Only when you start and look into the charts, when you look into the buy and sell entries, only you will understand the reality of the market, because trends keep changing. Your mind and your strategy should be changing. So after learning theory, slowly go into practical part. That is what I say, paper trading. Write in a paper or write in system also. You have so many options to do paper trading, so we can do that also. So that's how you will develop. So there are so many sources to learn. Don't put money, just keep learning from different sources. So this is how you can start off your journey. And if you're thinking within few months, if you want to make a lot of money, this will not help you. And recently a lot of students have joined my program who started trading just 1 month ago. So now why they joined is because they joined during this lockdown. They felt like trading. So they put 50,000, 60,000 rupees, and when they lost half of the money, that is when they realized knowledge is important. So that is when they joined the mentorship program asking and that is when I told them, don't put money now and start learning. So that's how they realized. So a lot of people will get they fall into this particular trap thinking, okay, I have 2 months, let me learn of trading, and this cannot be possible. You may learn the concept. Once you practice only, you will experience that. So yes, maybe there is 10% of the people whose skills are so high that they will do it better. Maybe better in few months they may learn, but not everybody, because this is also like a profession. You need a lot of time and dedication, because this is the easiest way of making money. That means the risk also is easy over here. So therefore, first learn before you earn. This is what I always tell. This is, I would say, this is a smart trader quote: learn before you earn. So I would not tell anybody that you can become rich, or I would not say anybody come and join my mentor program, I will make you rich. No, in my mentor program, whoever comes and join, from the day they join to the day they get out, at least they will be matured enough that the way they look into the market will be different, because I will teach just my style of trading. That's it. Nothing else. I'm not going to teach you the whole market or something. I'll teach you how I look into things, how I look into different shortcuts, my experience, which I make them do, because I'm a little bit strict over here. I make them do and I ask them a lot of questions. So if they're able to do it, only I see a progress in them. So it's basically their efforts. I'm just putting a small effort on them. So like this, you need to put your effort. If you don't put effort, or you're just depending on somebody's call or messages, temporarily they can help you. But on a longer run, your skills only can help you. So work on yourself, invest some time. People who are serious, spend some time daily, take it a little bit seriously. Automatically, few months or few years down the line, you can see a difference in yourself. When I watch my own video, let's say 3 years back, if I watch my own video, I see a lot of difference in my knowledge. Maybe my opinion from that point of day to today, it is changing. I may change my opinion because my knowledge is building. Maybe I'm doing this video today, maybe 5 years or 10 years down the line, if I watch this video, I feel, okay, there are many things I would have told more, because my learning would have increased by 5 years or 10 years. So that's more about it. So now you can decide, there are different sources. Basically, I'll say YouTube is the easiest source. Watch the videos, or example, in our channel only so many videos I'm posting. Go one by one. Patience is the key. If you don't have patience, nobody can help you. So patience is the key. Start learning one by one. Spend some time. Take it a little bit seriously. Create an Excel sheet. Create a book. Create whatever notepad for you. Take it how much you learn, what you have to learn, technicals, fundamentals, theories, practicals, what you want to do, what you want to learn. Write it down for the week. Do that. Did you practice? What is your learning from it? What was the mistakes from that? Like that is how you improvise, and your brain works in a totally different way. So hope this was an advice for you guys. It was my opinion. So if you feel it is logical, you can definitely follow it along with your skills. If you feel there is no logic to it, it's fine. Just think as an entertainment video. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share this video with all your friends and all the beginners who are planning, or if anybody asks you how can we start trading, just forward this video to them. At least it will be an eye opener, so that they don't do any mistake and they go in the right way. Later you can thank me. So thank you so much. So please do hit the subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.